Boundaries. People get tired of talking about boundaries, but you know what? Most people do not have boundaries, or do they not have strong boundaries, or they forget to update their boundaries. As we grow and as we evolve, we have to look into our own boundaries and upgrade them so they are congruent with who we are and what we want and what we feel and what we believe and what we desire. Setting boundaries, it's your own responsibility to protect and conserve your own well-being. I do want to stress here the number one reason why people don't set boundaries or they don't upgrade their boundaries is because of the fear of losing someone. It's the fear of not being liked by the person that we want to communicate our boundaries with. And again, let your personal boundaries be a natural filter for the people who are walking into your life or for the people that are walking out of your life. It's time to learn how to set our boundaries. It's time to learn how to say no. It's time to stop compromising on our own detriment and just to see the power of boundaries, because these are the foundation for creating a safe space for personal growth, for the relationships expansion, and for safety and intimacy, all levels really.